Hi, I'm here with an event planner known as Takyi Andy. Andy, how did you get into events?
Well, Coffee, I should say I grew up around people who usually do stuff like that. You understand me? So, because of that, I developed natural love for it.
Oh.
Okay. And I like to see things beautiful. You understand me? Putting this and that together to create this. Okay. Yes, that is what I love about event planning. So that's what couple of years back, but I was doing it only just to do it.
Okay.
So about
Just for fun?
yes, 6 years ago, that's when I thought of, okay, why don't I start a company? That was with my friend PK. So we came up with a name. Even with that, we didn't go public until like 2 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So
what do you do? Because if we say event planning, what is it about? What do you do
okay.
exactly?
So we're Made Management. Okay. So as a management, there's a lot that you can manage. So one being fashion show, weddings, dinners, birthday parties, and so forth. Even to an extent where we even do a setup for political rallies.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh.
So
then you are dusted. You are dusted.
we just started. So
Oh, okay.
How difficult was it to get designers on board like yourself?
Well, for the fashion show, one of the scariest thing is that you put out call for models or designers, and it could be like a week and nobody has reached out. So with that, and we know people like to do things at last minute.
No.
So when it's like that, you just have to relax and wait. Sometimes it gets scary because they take too long to contact, but it's all part of it.
Oh, okay. So in 2023, 2024, you created one of the biggest fashion show right here in the central region.
Yes.
Specifically Cape Coast.
Yes.
University of
Cape Coast.
Cape Coast.
UCC.
Yes, and it was huge.
Yes.
How was the process like?
See, that was our first show ever. So the tension.
What pushed you?
Okay, so let me go back a little bit. Right. So PK had this model movement, right?
Okay.
And he called it mid model. This is way back when he was in maritime.
Oh, okay.
He was a model himself. Okay, so he's been on different runways and stuff like that. So he started mid model, and I think he did it with a colleague. So, but it was out of business for a long time. So we sat down and we decided, okay, let's start it back up. Then we realized we do more than just modeling. So why can't we just add other things to it? So the name Made Model is what we use and started Made Management.
Oh, okay.
So under Made Management, then we have Made Models, Made Events, Made Podcasts. We are here to implement Made Foundation because we love to give back to the society. And also Made Tours. These things, like I said, some of these things, I did them for fun and because of the people that I lived around. Okay, like foreigners or friends and family will come from the US and we take them around. That is touring.
Okay.
But we didn't think of it that way then. So I'm like, okay, so we can turn this into business. People don't know what they want until you give it to them.
So,
okay.
How much do I need to start this business?
Capital. Well, there's no an amount that you need.
Okay.
You get it?
So you can just start.
Yes. Honestly, people will say, oh, I started with 1 cedi. Oh, my life story, I started with 10 cedi, Charlie. First, you have to start with this.
Okay.
This is what you have to start with. So once you have the mind, the will, because it's not easy. There are competitions out there, especially if people have like started before you. There's competition. So you just sacrifice, compromise. These are the things that other CEOs may not tell you. You only say, oh, I started with 10 cedis. No, not just 10 cedis. Connection.
Uh-huh.
You need connection. You can have 10 billion if you don't have connection.
Connections, yeah.
People will just chop your money and nothing will. So you need the right places, right people at the right time.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Genesis was so huge, but I would want to find out if you created other events.
Oh
Are there
yes.
other events that you created?
Yes. So just this year, after our second fashion show in March, now even CNC wants to partner with us so we can do it like every year for Made in Ghana because
Okay.
what we do a force under Made in Ghana. That's what we are promoting, right? So that's what they want to do with us. And aside that, on campus, end of semester dinners. Well, we did about 4 dinners, right? Set up for 4 dinners. Gamsu is like 300 people. Josog 150, Superannuation 150, and I think it's Pasa as well.
Pasta.
Yes.
My
Yes. Oh, that's you. So you were there at the dinner?
Yeah.
I saw her. Anyway, so yes, and it's been good. And the good thing is that referrals. Somebody
We'll refer you
yeah,
and then you get
yes.
more.
So it's the idea of being able to talk to your clients, come to an understanding.
Communication.
Yeah, show them this is what we can do for you.
Okay.
If their budget can't reach it, okay, this is your budget. This is what we can do for you. You understand? Yes. So it's been good since we started. We even got a call from Kumasi and stuff like that to go
Have
back.
you had any experience with this family and friends something?
Oh no.
You don't do
Me,
that.
business, family, leisure. No.
South.
Yeah. So if you are not in line with what I do, even if you are my girlfriend, I won't bring you in my business. You are my
Oh,
family.
so you're not single.
Well, I'm single.
You're single.
Yes.
Are you sure?
That's
Yes. I'm just giving you an example. Like even if you
You're
are my girlfriend.
single.
Yes.
Okay.
Watching, oh, please. Say that
Yes,
again.
I am single. Please. So I'm saying again, you bring family and whatever into your business. I'm telling you, it will kill it.
Yeah, I agree.
It will kill it. They will be looking for free stuff. No, the things you use money to buy. So free things, Charlie, it doesn't work like that. Yeah. Sometimes you have to be mean to them so they can enjoy later.
Yeah.
You give it to them right now, you can't start the business, you won't grow, and then what? So let them think of you as a bad person right now. I'm not saying don't help your families. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying if it's going to take away from your business, don't do it.
Okay. So there's a saying that all work and no play makes Jack.
Oh.
So we want to know what is your favorite hangouts? Yeah. What do you do for fun?
Stay in my room.
Are you an introvert? Really? No, you don't look like one.
I'm not. But
what are you doing
in
your room?
Let's say if I don't need to go to that place, why would I go? You get me?
Yeah, your favorite place you hang out. Yeah.
You know where I live is up the hill. I have a nice view, so there's no need to go anywhere like that.
Oh,
You get
okay.
me? Oh no, it's not like sometimes.
So you're an indoor person.
I'm both.
It's ironical because you create events and you are indoors.
No, I do both. The thing is, when I'm going out, I'm going to where there's money. You get me? I'm not going to places where I'm not like. Why would I come and sit somewhere? If
You need to clear your mind, man.
yes, we go to the beach here and there. You get me?
Okay.
But even when we go to the beach, that's where we get the clear mind to really think more. Yeah, so we do, of course, in the house, there's a bigger screen there. You can watch movies. There's Netflix, there's internet. You get me?
Netflix.
Yeah.
And chill.
So we've had our fair share of going out. I think that was last year. I think so, yeah. We were going out like crazy. And then we saw it was draining us.
Spent a lot.
Yeah. It's not even about the money. It's just waste of energy. You get me? You get distracted. How many times have you seen these rich business people go out and party like that? If they are doing it, it's because they are doing it to get money from other rich people. You get me? Yeah, so we saw that as okay, going to spend time here. Not that we are not fun, we are fun. Me,
Yeah, fun. I can see that.
Charlie, you can have fun, but when it's time for business, it's time for
That's
business.
So, Mr. Takyi, what's the future?
Oh, the future
Yeah, what's the future like?
is bright. It's bigger than me.
Do you
So
have any event plan?
yes. Oh, there's our next fashion show is coming up next year, March. So we've started it.
Be there.
And also the graduation coming up in December. Yes, we are preparing towards UCC. Yes, that's you, right? So please come to our stand.
Ooh.
Yes. So we're actually going to have a 360 LED dance floor magazine photo booth. So it's going to be an enclosed place where you can come in and have access to all three.
Okay.
Why you take your pictures from Cyrus the King as well.
Sarah's the king. Okay. So how can potential customers locate you? Either on your socials or number?
Yes. I can put a number down so people can.
Yeah, please if you like him.
Oh no, no,
call.
no. See me,
It's for
I don't
business
even
though.
like answering unknown numbers. Then I
Mhm.
realize, okay, my numbers are out there for business.
Business, yeah.
So I have no choice but answer.
So be calling him, okay?
Mhm.
So
Okay. We really appreciate you, but the number, yes, the number.
0545 458943. I
Okay.
repeat,
Okay.
0545 458943.
So you don't have any IG?
Oh,
Social media.
Made management. Once you
Made
go to
management.
made management.
Okay.
Once you put in made management is there.
Okay.
And we also have made podcast.
Okay.
Yes. Where there's a lot, but you wait and see. Sometimes you
Yeah.
have to let your
You want
plans.
evidence? Yeah, I
Okay,
understand.
give me your riddle.
My riddle.
Yes.
Yes. So for our fun zone, we will give you some riddles,
Uh-huh.
some serious riddles.
Yeah.
We want to check you out. Yeah, you know.
Hey,
So let's
easy,
find
easy.
out. So the first one.
Uh-huh.
I am something. I'm bought to eat, but I'm never eaten. What am I?
So the thing is bought
To eat.
but the thing never eats.
It's never eaten. Yes.
Bought to eat. Never eats. So the thing never eats any food. Is
I
that what
am
you're
bought
saying?
to
What's
eat,
your
but
brain?
I'm never eaten.
Is it you or this? Just say I'm never eating.
Are you talking about you?
You know.
Anybody know?
You have 5 seconds. Pa, pa,
Okay, give
pa,
me
a clue.
yes.
It's sometimes metallic, sometimes plastic, sometimes wooden. Your time.
Where is it used mostly?
I can't give you that. So you have 5 seconds. Pen, pen,
Uh,
pen.
spoon, maybe?
Spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, so the second one.
What has head and a tail, but not legs?
Has head and tail but not legs.
Mhm.
Whoa. Head and tail but not legs.
Let's see.
Hey!
Today you
Wow,
are being
this telling
colored.
me my brain is
So
not
let's try
brainy.
to help you.
Any clue?
It's also metallic, yeah. It's also metallic. It's round.
It's round.
It's metallic, it's round. It's the bargaining power of the world.
Uh-huh.
Hey,
The bargaining power of the
last
world.
one more, they are talking, please.
Without it, yeah.
hey, I don't know.
Without it, you can't eat, you can't cook, you can't.
Cash.
Close, but no. It has head and a tail. Head and
Head
tail.
and a tail.
Yes.
Ah, coin! Coin.
Okay, so this
Coin.
one.
Head and a tail. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Head and tail.
Last one.
What gets longer if pulled? Fits perfectly between breasts. Slides neatly into a hole.
Hey.
Shocks people when used incorrectly. And works well when checked. What am I?
This sounds too sexual.
No, it's not. No, why you have a bad brain?
No, what you saying?
You have a bad brain. Let me go over that. Come with a pure mind.
Okay.
What gets longer if pulled? fits perfectly in between breasts, slides neatly into a hole, shocks people when used incorrectly, and works well when jerked.
Is it a cross bag?
No, crossbag, no. How can a crossbag fit perfectly into a hole?
The hole there, the hole is what it's getting me. Is it a necklace?
It's in a car. It's found in a car.
Found in a car. Car key?
Without it, if you're involved in an accident, your head is really gonna crash. Seatbelt. You have a bad mind. You have a bad mind.
No, but that sounds too sexual though.
Oh come on! You have a bad guys. This guy, Jim
But
Bonnie.
you could have simply used something
Hey,
else.
come on.
Seatbelt, man. Hey.
There is you. I'm gonna give you last one. Okay, last one. You truly enjoy this when you spread it. You truly enjoy it when you spread it.
Is it like peanut butter? Like
Butter?
on the bread?
It's actually butter. It's
Butter,
actually butter, but
Ah.
peanut butter.
Yes.
Okay, do you want more?
Oh, give me more. Give it to me. Pause.
Iris, should I give you more?
Yeah.
One more.
Okay, all right. Okay, Irish is saying it's okay. I should give him okay. All right. What's long and hard when it's young, and soft and small when it's old? What's long and hard when it's young and soft? When it's young and soft and small when it's old.
Have like 5
Yeah.
seconds.
You're like a
What's
human being.
what's long and hard when it's young, and soft and small when it's old?
Hey,
Um,
I don't know. What is
Uh.
I give up. I don't know this one.
Kendall.
Radhe. Hey, guess it.
Okay,
It's been fun.
so Techi, it's so much fun having you here, and
Thank
want
you,
to
thank
encourage you to continue creating events for us, not just here in Cape Coast, not in Central Region, but
Oh, yeah.
Charlie,
We are
the
going
whole
global.
world. We
Yeah.
are going global. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. A group hug.
Sandwich. All right, so that's all we have for you today. Stay tuned.